So welcome guys, for today's video I'm going to teach you how to put a thumbnail on YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google and go to YouTube. So let's go to YouTube and click create on the upper right corner and upload video. So let's X that. So after that we are going to click create again on upper right corner. So let's click that and upload videos. So after that we're going to click select files and we are going to click this, and we're going to click this because this is the one that I'm going to upload. So after that you just need to scroll down until you find this thumbnail. So just click upload thumbnail. So this is my thumbnail, so just click that and go to next. So just next. So here, so let's get public the video. So this is your thumbnail now. So let's go to publish. So there you are, you have successfully put the thumbnail. So I hope guys you like the video and it will help you.